overview of Redbeam Inventory Tracking. Please click on the Start button to begin. With Redbeam Inventory Tracking, you can track inventory levels and item movements in your warehouse, distribution center, stockroom, or store. Redbeam Inventory Tracking is a complete item database that allows you to receive, issue, and move your items and take a physical inventory. Using Redbeam Inventory Tracking will help you to reduce inventory levels, improve accuracy, track item movements, minimize out-of-stock situations, optimize purchasing, increase accountability, reduce shrinkage, and to minimize paperwork. Barcoding makes inventory tracking faster and more accurate. All Redbeam software packages come with barcode labels that can be printed on your standard laser printer. Redbeam Inventory Tracking software comes in 2 versions. With the standard edition, you can use a cabled barcode scanner to scan items at your PC workstation. With the mobile edition, you can use a mobile barcode scanner to perform your transactions wherever they occur. With Redbeam is easy. Let's take a look at how to get set up with the system. Start by entering the location information for each warehouse in your organization. Add the location description and barcode and assign the location to one of your. The location will then be displayed in the organization tree. When the record is added, just click the barcode button to print a location barcode. To set up your items, enter your item ID, description, item type, unit of measure, manufacturer, and model. You can track serial numbers, lot numbers, or expiration dates for an item by selecting the appropriate item type. You can also attach an image of the item and enter up to 5 user-defined fields. You can also enter reorder information, including the vendor you purchased the item from, minimum in-stock quantities, maximum in-stock quantities, order increment, and cost. This information will be used to generate reorder, out-of-stock, and overstock reports. You can even have the system automatically prompt you if items fall below desired levels by checking the reorder notification flag. If your items are not currently barcoded, click the barcode button to print an item barcode. Now that your data is set up, you can begin processing transactions. To receive items, enter the location, then scan or enter the item and enter the quantity received. You can also enter a reference number, such as a PO number. If desired, you can print barcodes automatically for each of the items you are receiving. Notice that the inventory quantity in this location has been updated to reflect the receipt. To issue items, enter the location, then scan or enter the item and enter the quantity to be issued. You can also enter a reference number, such as a sales order number. If you perform cycle counts, you can use the Adjust feature to update the quantities on hand. You can also move items from one location to another. If you're using the mobile edition of the software, you can use the mobile scanner to receive, issue, adjust, and move items. To periodically update all of your inventory quantities, use the physical inventory feature. Print count sheets that can be used to take a physical inventory. When your inventory is completed, enter the counts into the program. If you are using the mobile edition of the software, you can use the mobile scanner to take a physical inventory. Redbeam Inventory Tracking offers comprehensive and flexible reports. Inventory reports show current on-hand quantities and items that need to be reordered or are out of stock or overstocked. You can filter and group your reports any way you like. Then, either print the report or export the data directly into an Excel spreadsheet. Physical inventory reports show counts for current and historical inventories and list quantity and cost variances that help you understand inventory fluctuations. Transaction reports show a historical list of all transactions made in the system, including receipts, issues, adjustments, and movements. Redbeam Inventory Tracking is a robust system based on a Microsoft SQL database. An MSDE runtime version of SQL is included as part of the package. Other administrative features of the software include networking, data backup, import of data from Microsoft Excel, data purge, caption override, and flexible role-based user security. As you can see, Redbeam Inventory Tracking is intuitive and easy to use. The system is affordable, making it easy to justify your return on investment. And Redbeam's offering is complete. With complementary software, scanner hardware, and barcode labels, Redbeam has everything you need to start tracking today. Redbeam. Intuitive, affordable, complete.